Far beyond the warm breath of our sun, in the frozen quiet where light travels like a thin whisper, something ancient has been drifting toward us. For millions of years it wandered alone, untouched, unobserved, and unknown. It does not belong to this solar system. It does not share our sun, our planets, or our history. It comes from a place whose starlight hasn't touched Earth in any age of human civilization, and yet, against every probability, it is arriving now, in our lifetimes. 3 Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected by humanity, is approaching the point of closest passage on December 19th. And with every new observation, its behavior grows stranger, its nature more uncertain, and its implications more profound. What was once thought to be an ordinary comet from another star system has become one of the most mysterious visitors ever recorded. In the beginning, it appeared as a faint moving dot in Atlas survey images, the kind astronomers usually classify and forget within minutes. But as the data accumulated, a pattern emerged, a pattern that should have been impossible. The object was not wobbling or tumbling chaotically like a frozen shard of rock and ice. Instead, it moved with an unnervingly clean precision, as though it had chosen its path long before reaching our skies. Unlike natural comets, whose brightness erupts as they approach the sun, 3I Atlas grew dimmer, as if its outer surface was absorbing light rather than reflecting it. Some observers compared it to a device entering stealth mode. Others saw in its dimming a sign of structural transformation, a surface reacting to increasing heat by tightening, darkening, or activating something not yet understood. Some observers compared it to a device entering stealth mode. Others saw in its dimming a sign of structural transformation, a surface reacting to increasing heat by tightening, darkening, or activating something not yet understood. When astronomers ran simulations backwards through time, the trajectory revealed no chaotic past, no random gravitational encounters, no planetary kicks. Instead, it traced a smooth line extending beyond the known boundaries of the solar system, as if its course had remained astonishingly stable for millions of years. Natural objects simply do not travel that way. They drift, they collide, they scatter. They do not glide. As December 19th approaches, Earth enters the same orbital region the object will cut through. The distance will be safe, non-threatening, and astronomically routine. But the scientific opportunities it creates are anything but routine. Never before has an interstellar visitor passed so near the observation range of so many instruments at once. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unmatched infrared sensitivity, will lock onto it. Hubble will track its visible light signature. Solar monitors will watch its reaction to extreme ultraviolet radiation. Ground-based arrays will capture its radar echoes. And radio telescopes will listen to the faintest whisper of energy surrounding it. For a few hours on that day, humanity will perform a complete examination of an object created under a different star. Scientists expect changes, not to Earth, but to Atlas itself. As it enters the more magnetically complex region of Earth's orbital plane, its surface may brighten briefly. But unlike cometary brightening, which releases dust tails and glowing comet, Atlas may brighten without shedding anything. A luminous sheen, a structured glow, a kind of energy emission that doesn't match any known chemical sublimation. Some models predict geometric patches of heat appearing across its surface, lines, nodes, or hexagonal regions warming at different rates, almost like a patterned activation, rather than a natural reaction. No one knows yet, but dozens of teams are preparing to analyze every shift in color, temperature, and reflectivity. Meanwhile, Earth's magnetosphere, the invisible shield of magnetic force surrounding our planet, may respond to the object's passage, not with danger and not with disruption, but with a subtle ripple. Atlas emits a low-frequency magnetic signature, faint yet persistent, something no known comet produces. When it crosses the level where Earth's and the Sun's magnetic fields blend most tightly, that signature may create a measurable pulse. Space weather monitors could register it as a soft oscillation, like the hum of something brushing past the edge of our planet's protective bubble. For months, radio telescopes have detected small, rhythmic spikes in the direction of 3I Atlas. They are not confirmed as artificial. They may be simple magnetic fluctuations bouncing off its surface. But if the alignment on December 19th strengthens those signals, the data could reveal patterns, repeating intervals, harmonic structure, or encoded sequences. Even a hint of organization would change scientific history overnight. There is also the possibility that Atlas will alter its trajectory slightly during the passage. A natural object influenced only by gravity would continue on a predictable curve. But Atlas has already shown non-gravitational acceleration, the same mysterious phenomenon once observed in Oumuamua, but far stronger and more consistent. If this object changes direction even by a fraction as it nears Earth's orbital path, it will confirm that some internal mechanism is affecting its motion. Whether that mechanism is physical, chemical, thermal, or engineered will become the central question of 21st century astronomy. For the people on Earth, December the 19th may offer a rare sight. Under dark skies, far from city lights, observers might witness a thin green arc drifting silently across the heavens. Not a meteor streaking downward, but a cosmic traveler slicing horizontally through the stars. The glow will be faint, brief, and easily missed, but for those who catch it, it will be the first time in human history that an interstellar object becomes visible to the naked eye. Despite the dramatic imagery circulating online, the day will not bring destruction. It will not bring impact, storms, fires, or disasters. What it will bring is a moment of cosmic revelation, the closest encounter humanity has ever had with something made beyond our sun. As the world watches, the true mystery of Atlas comes into sharper focus. A comet from another star should behave like the ones we know: chaotic, dusty, easily heated, easily scattered. What it will bring is a moment of cosmic revelation, the closest encounter humanity has ever had with something made beyond our sun. As the world watches, the true mystery of Atlas comes into sharper focus. A comet from another star should behave like the ones we know: chaotic, dusty, easily heated, easily scattered. Atlas behaves like something that has structure, a shell, a casing, a surface designed to endure the heat of multiple stars. It slows as it approaches the sun rather than speeding uncontrollably. It dims rather than brightens. It resists gravitational perturbation. It behaves with purpose, or at least with stability not seen in natural objects. Whether this stability comes from being hollow, metallic, unusually dense, or composed of unknown material remains to be seen. Some theories propose it could be the remnant of a shattered world, a piece of crust crystallized under conditions no longer found anywhere nearby. Others suggest the possibility of engineered origin, a probe from a civilization that expired long before Earth formed, drifting endlessly until chance brought it here. And some believe it may be a natural relic of physics we have yet to understand, a type of cosmic object that formed in environments alien to our imagination. On December 19th, the silence surrounding these questions will break. Every major observatory, every instrument capable of detecting heat, magnetism, radiation, or motion will focus on a single speck of interstellar matter. In that moment, humanity will touch, through data and light, something forged in a different corner of the galaxy. Perhaps it will behave exactly like a natural interstellar fragment, proving that its anomalies were misunderstandings. Or perhaps it will reveal something new, a shift in brightness, a pulse in the radio spectrum, a geometric thermal signature, a trajectory correction. Even a single unexpected change could redefine our understanding of what drifts between the stars. Above all, December 19th will remind us of something profound, that Earth is not isolated, that the universe is not quiet, that we are part of a larger cosmic ocean, and sometimes currents from distant shores sweep past our world. Above all, Atlas will not harm Earth, but it will leave a mark on us, a scientific, philosophical, and emotional mark, because for a brief moment, humanity will witness an object from another sun glide through our cosmic neighborhood. And long after it has passed, long after it continues its endless journey toward the outer dark, the questions it raises will remain. Where did it come from? Why does it behave the way it does? And what else is out there, moving silently between the stars? December 19th is not the day something hits Earth. It is the day something ancient, unknown, and extraordinary brushes past us and reveals, once again, how vast and strange our universe truly is.